understand the one word that is cistron. Which one? Cistron. Cistron is a segment of DNA, not DNA. It's a segment of DNA which has a gene, right? Cistron meaning what? Segment of DNA which has a gene that express itself and form protein or polypeptide. It forms what? Protein, or we call polypeptide. Clear? What is cistron first? Segment of DNA that codes for protein or polypeptide. Understood this? Now, that can be monocystonic form or polycystonic form. Monocystonic form, that is for eukaryotes. ये किसमें होता है? Eukaryotes. Polycystonic form, PP, वैसे फॉर्म में याद रखना. Polycystonic, that is for prokaryotes. Right? Polycystonic form in case of which one? Prokaryotes. Eukaryotes के लिए कौन सा होता है? Monocystonic. Monocystonic meaning what? Here, that is, this is the DNA segment, right? 5 prime to 3 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime. Now over here, suppose this is the DNA and here one DNA segment is there. This DNA segment has what? Gene, and that gene code for only one protein or one polypeptide, right? That protein can be acts as an enzyme, hormone, वो differentiation बाद में होगा. But one gene code for what? One protein. How many protein? One. Here that again same. Here no doubt prokaryotes में कैसा होता है DNA, linear or circular? Circular. Right now I am making in a which form? That's a linear, right? ना circular है, इसको यहाँ से break कर दो. Then in this form, linear, right? So first here this is the again what? Gene. But in this gene, right, because spliceosome is absent, yes or no? Spliceosome complex is not over here present. And second, this single gene, अगर इसको भी हम थोड़ा that the zooming करें, so in that single gene, that 1, 2 and the 3, right? Single gene possess, remember, single gene possess the information for 3 different proteins. Single gene possess information regarding 3 different proteins, and यही system को हम बोलते हैं operon. क्या बोलते हैं? Operon. I told you lack operon in this chapter we will learn. That is for prokaryotes, not for eukaryotes, right? But ये जो proteins form होंगे like enzymes है, मान लो कि ये सारे क्या है? Enzymes. This all enzymes, ऐसा नहीं कि like एक हुआ, that's a trypsin. Second, that is another enzyme which helps in nervous system, right? So one for digestive, other for that's which one, that is the nervous, other for anything. ऐसे कोई proteins form नहीं होंगे. The proteins are formed, their functions are interlinked with each other. Their functions are which one? Interlinked with each other. So one cistron, poly word दिखा है, poly meaning what? Many. One cistron can form many proteins. From one cistron, this is the gene segment, cistron. So one cistron में से कितने proteins right now here form हो रहे? 3 proteins. One cistron, one gene, one protein, monocystonic eukaryotes. One cistron, but हाँ, so यहाँ पे जो जीन है, यहाँ पे हमने पॉलीसिस्टोनिक वर्ड लिया है. यहाँ पे सेगमेंट आप कंसीडर कीजिए, वन सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए, बट इट हैज 3 सिस्टोनिक कंडीशन, एंड ये 3 सिस्टोन से क्या बनेगा? 3 डिफरेंट प्रोटीन्स. 3 सिस्टोन्स आर देयर. सेगमेंट एक ही है, बट वो सेगमेंट में 3 दैट्स द जीन्स आर देयर व्हिच कोड फॉर द व्हिच वन? प्रोटीन्स. 3 डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. बोलिए, प्रॉपर्ली क्लोज दिस. 3 different kinds of which one? Proteins. Understood this thing? So 3 cistrons are there. 3 cistrons form 3 different proteins, but वो proteins कैसे होंगे? Their functions are interlinked with each other. कि एक का function हुआ तो उससे जो product होगा, that's for the, उसके ऊपर कौन work करेगा? Second, like that. Understood? तो ये होते monocystonic, and other is a which one? Polycystonic. Polycystonic in case of prokaryotes or eukaryotes? and the second, that is monocystonic in case of eukaryotes, right? Polycystonic, many cystones form many different proteins. Simple. Here the one cystone, one protein. Understood this? Yes or no? Second, two other definitions given in this topic, exons and introns, right? Exons are which one? Express sequence, right? That we have seen. Exons are express sequence and the introns are intervening sequence that could code for anything? No. That do not code for anything. So that should be what? Remove. Remove कौन करेगा? Spliceosome. Spliceosome present in case of eukaryotes but absent in case of prokaryotes. Clear? So immature RNA will convert to mature mRNA in case of which one? But that process will not occur in case of prokaryotes. Fully understood? Clear? Stop.